Is it time to buy or sell the GraniteShares 2x long NVDA daily ETF? In this video, we will explore the GraniteShares 2x long NVDA daily ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 27th of August, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 27th of May 2025, our system has ranked the GraniteShares 2x long NVDA daily ETF as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.65. Let's take a look at the ETF's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 71.43% since we first listed the GraniteShares 2x long NVDA daily ETF as a buy candidate 65 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.10% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a strong and rising trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend implies a potential change of approximately 75.77% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 68.81% to 94.57%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis predicts a change of about 5.89%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 65.33% to positive 8.66% over the coming year. This would suggest a future price falling between $31.39 and $98.39. Our latest daily update for GraniteShares 2x long NVDA daily exchange traded fund includes the headline, GraniteShares 2x long NVDA daily exchange traded fund price ended at $90.55 on Wednesday after losing 0.176%. The GraniteShares 2x long NVDA daily exchange traded fund price fell by 0.176% on the last day, Wednesday, the 27th of August, 2025, from $90.71 to $90.55. During the last trading day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated 3.78%, with a day low at $88.10 and a day high of $91.43. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 0.57% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 8 million shares, despite falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, slightly raising the risk over the next couple of days. In total, 21 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.94 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the exchange-traded fund was $93.56, while the lowest price was $23.12. Currently, the price stands 3.22%, or $3.01 below the 52-week high of $93.56, which is also the all-time high for the exchange-traded fund. NVDL is GraniteShares 2x daily leveraged play on NVIDIA, designed to deliver twice the daily movement of NVIDIA stock. Recent coverage extending through mid-2025 has highlighted why traders are interested. NVIDIA's dominance in artificial intelligence graphics processing units and strong cash flow have driven explosive gains. Momentum calls and weekly performance roundups indicate that NVDL tends to surge during rallies. Analysts who have tracked technical breakouts have even suggested potential upside targets for NVIDIA, which would amplify NVDL's movements. In the short term, this makes NVDL highly sensitive to positive earnings reports from NVIDIA, excitement around artificial intelligence, or unexpected policy changes. One can expect larger intraday net asset value fluctuations, higher trading volumes, and rapid gains or losses as leverage intensifies direction. Over the long term, the fund faces the usual challenges of daily rebalancing. Beta slippage and compounding can erode returns compared to holding NVIDIA stock directly. Consequently, prolonged periods of sideways or volatile markets tend to negatively impact performance. regulatory changes and fluctuations in semiconductor policies can create sharp buying opportunities, but may also introduce sustained uncertainty. In summary, NVDL is potent for tactical and active trading around NVIDIA catalysts, but is less reliable as a buy-and-hold strategy for long-term exposure to NVIDIA. The following signals have been identified for GraniteShares 2x long NVDA Daily Exchange Traded Fund. There are mixed signals regarding the Exchange Traded Fund today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 12, 2025, and thus far, it has decreased by 2.31%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume increased on declining prices yesterday. This may serve as an early warning, necessitating closer monitoring of the Exchange Traded Fund. The GraniteShares 2x long NVDA Daily Exchange Traded Fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the fund. Moreover, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected from the lines at 87.31 and 86.02. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 12 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal was identified 45 days ago. The short-term moving average, a buy signal appeared 4 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average, a buy signal was indicated 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was noted 74 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was detected 61 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for GraniteShares 2x long NVIDIA Daily Exchange Traded Fund. GraniteShares 2x long NVIDIA Daily finds support from accumulated volume at $88.90. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements and, with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated $3.33 between its high and low, which translates to 3.78%. Over the last week, it has experienced an average daily volatility of 5.27%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for GraniteShares 2x long NVDA Daily ETF. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for GraniteShares 2x long NVDA Daily ETF is at $90.57. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, GraniteShares 2x long NVDA Daily ETF encounters its first support level at $88.90. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The most recent insider trade for this exchange-traded fund is older than 3 months. The latest transaction occurred on the 4th of April in the year 2011, when Moran J. executed an insider purchase of 14,696,117 shares of Series A warrants to purchase common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $87.46, reflecting a decline of 3.42%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is GraniteShares 2x long NVDA Daily Exchange Traded Fund a good investment? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall favorable trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable likelihood for GraniteShares 2x long NVDA Daily Exchange Traded Fund to perform well in the near term. Upon analyzing the volatility and fluctuations from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 28th of August, we anticipate that GraniteShares 2x long NVDA Daily Exchange Traded Fund will open lower by approximately 52 cents, starting at $90.03. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held accountable for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.